Thinking of buying a new vertical wet grinder? With so many options on Amazon and Flipkart, it can be tough to choose. In this video, we're putting the most popular models to the test. The Preethi Iconic, SmartFingers Comfort Plus, Premier Easy Grind, and Amirthaa Teja Plus. We'll break down the key features of each wet grinder, including motor power, capacity, grinding technology, and special attachments. We'll also provide a detailed comparison table to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your kitchen and budget. Let's start with the Preethi Iconic wet grinder features. Capacity: 2 liters, 150 watts high torque induction motor. Bi-directional grinding technology. Grinds in both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Traditional method of grinding that gives batter authentic taste. Pyramid-shaped wiper. Ensures even grinding by directing ingredients towards the stones. Cool touch technology. Advanced ventilation keeps the batter cool during grinding. Easy to lift and pour with the help of grip handles. Comes with a 2-year product warranty, 5-year motor warranty, and a lifelong free service. Design: compact, vertical design in a pink color. Made with a carbon steel body and a stainless steel drum. Products links are displayed on description, you may use it to buy. SmartFingers Comfort Plus wet grinder features. Capacity: 2 liters, 150 watts powerful motor. Hands-free batter dispatch. A patented feature that simplifies the process of removing the batter. Lightweight and durable ABS body. Makes the unit lighter and easier to handle compared to some traditional models. Traditional pestle grinding stone revolving method. A strong 5-year manufacturer warranty. Vacuum lock bottom for stability. Overload protector switch protects the grinder from being overloaded. Design: modern and sleek white body made of durable ABS plastic. With a rust-resistant AISI 304 stainless steel drum and stone holder. Premier Easy Grind wet grinder features. Capacity: 2 liters, 150 watts motor with the speed of 960 RPM approximately. The drum is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to remove and handle. Compact design. The motor and drive are integrated into a compact unit, saving counter space. Comes with a 100% clear polycarbonate lid with a spout, allowing you to add water easily while grinding. Double pusher design. Provides perfect wave motion for the batter to get under the grinding stones continuously. This saves a lot of time. Versatile use. Suitable for grinding a wide range of ingredients, from spices and grains to pulses. A well-engineered and compact design with a high-quality ABS body and a stainless steel drum. Amirthaa Teja Plus wet grinder features. Capacity: 2 liters, 120 watts heavy motor effortlessly grinds ingredients into fine paste. Cylindrical grinding stones. Designed for quick grinding without overheating the batter. The food-grade stainless steel drum is suitable for storing the batter after grinding. A dedicated tool is included to ensure hygienic and complete removal of the batter from the drum. Vertical style and compact footprint. Ensures it occupies minimal space on counters or shelves. Comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor. Design: sleek and compact with a durable, shock-resistant ABS body.